In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online, a beginner-friendly walkthrough of the current dashboard and navigation. Let's get started by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, we'll focus on the current interface so you know exactly where to click and why. From the left-hand menu, select Home to see your main dashboard. This is your command center, showing profit and loss, income, and expenses at a glance. Use the date range filters here to view performance over specific periods, and keep an eye on trends that might need your attention. Next, click Accounting to open your chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your bookkeeping, where every transaction gets categorized. Review your accounts here to make sure they're accurate and organized. If numbers look off, this is often where you'll identify which accounts to review further. To dig into cash activity, choose Bank Register or Bank Transactions, depending on how your menu is labeled. Here, you'll see all your bank activity in one place. Use filters to narrow down dates or statuses, and review items that need your attention so your books stay clean and current. When you're ready to confirm your records against your statements, click Reconcile. This process matches your QuickBooks balances to your bank or credit card statements, helping you catch duplicates or missing entries. It's a best practice to reconcile regularly, typically at month end. Head over to Expenses and Pay Bills to record and manage what your business spends. You can review vendor activity, record bills, and track payments. Attaching receipts and adding notes can help keep audits and reviews simple. Under Sales and Get Paid, you'll create invoices, send them to customers, and track what's been paid or is still outstanding. Keeping this area updated supports cash flow tracking and ensures your profit and loss is accurate. Click Customers to view, add, or manage customer details. Complete profiles make invoicing faster and reporting more precise. Select Team to manage users and permissions. Assign access based on roles to protect sensitive data while letting people do their jobs. Go to Tax to manage sales tax and related filings. Review your tax center to ensure rates and filing frequencies match your location and requirements. Check out Marketing to access available tools that help promote your business. Availability can vary, but this is where you'll find helpful resources. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find transactions, reports, or contacts. It's a fast way to jump right where you need to go. Click All Apps to access tools like Recurring Transactions, Rules, Budgeting, and the Audit Log. Great for automating routine work, planning, and reviewing changes. When you're done, click your profile icon at the top right and select Sign Out. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.